So we're here to show a little table design that we came up with to make changing oil in generators a little easier. We're using a Honda EU 2000 as our main example, but this will work with other similar style generators. So basically, it can be kind of a pain in the butt to change oil on these generators, as you may have noticed, because you need to tip and drain them. And so what we came up with was a little table design. What you want to do, create a nice raised surface for your generator like we've done here, and then cut a hole in that raised surface and just screw in a funnel, and that'll give you an area to pour your oil into. And then down below that you want to build in a little shelf structure. We've done it here out of plywood and 2x4, but you can use whatever materials you have on hand. The big thing is you want to line it up or make the size just about right here so that a quart of oil, an empty quart, can snug up on your funnel just like that to receive the used oil as you pour it out. So this makes all the oil changing and cleanup a lot easier. What you would do is just remove your oil drain plug here, put your generator over the funnel, and then you can just tip the generator into the funnel. The oil will pour out and go straight into your empty quart. No muss, no fuss. Hope this is helpful to you guys, and enjoy crafting a new table for your generator.